make sure to
like up on all the deals that we do, and like and subscribe for more videos.
Smash that like, smash that subscribe.
All right, so we got one deal already, right, Hannah?
Yeah.
So we're gonna get some free Oreos.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah.
Oh yeah. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick up a family size of the Oreos. Okay, I think it's double stuff. We can do double stuff. I'll check it. You're gonna pick up one family size of the Oreos. Oh, the mega?
Let's get that, because that's family size.
Okay, we'll see if this is on it. I don't know yet. So we're going to pick up one family size. And when you pick up one family size, you're going to get a Dynasty for free. Okay? And then there's another Ibotta rebate. When you buy 2 Dynasties, you get one of those for free. So essentially what's going to happen is you're going to get the 2 Dynasties for free with the 2 rebates. You're just going to pay for the family size. And the family size is just $3.67. So you're only paying $3.67 for 3 things of Oreos. Let's just see if that one attaches on the Ibotta. I can pick up those family mega stuff. She's going to get those. And so we're going to pay $3.67 for all 3 packs, getting this and this for free when submitting both Ibotta offers. This is back in our app. These are $2.12, and it has to be the green pack, not the blue pack. The blue pack is not right. Use the green pack. And you're going to get back 2 offers on Ibotta. You'll get $1 and a 25-cent offer back on this Craisins with the less sugar. Great deal on the Nestle Splash. So I've been able to print this coupon off again. These are $1 off. So I'm going to get one of these for 48 cents. Now what I'm going to do today is I'm going to pick up 3 of these. I only have 2 coupons, but I'm picking up 3 of these. So when I pick up 3 of them, I'll get the 75-cent on Ibotta. Plus I'm going to get the 50-cent bonus. So I'm going to have $3.25 off when I buy all 3 of them. I'm gonna get all 3 cases of waters for $1.19. If I had another $1 off coupon, I could get all 3 of these for 19 cents, but I only have the 2 coupons.
98 cents, and we have a 40 cents off coupon. 50 cents off coupon, and so these are gonna be 48 cents each. So we're gonna get 5 of these.
There's a limit of 5 on the app, right?
Yes.
And we like those, don't we?
Yes, because we have 5 kids.
We have 5 kids. So.
Including me and my sister and my 2 brothers and my other sister.
That's right. So we're going to get all 5 of those, 48 cents each, limited on the Ibotta. Still have the 7th generation on the Shopkick stack. So with scans and kicks, you're going to get $2.50 worth of Shopkick. So this makes this soap just 22 cents. So pick up some today, and every time you go in the store, 22 cents for some dish soap is a really good deal. But this is such a good deal because we haven't had great deals on tissue and toilet paper in so long. The Sparkle Terra Square is the 3 rolls, 6 count. These are new. They're $3.97, and there's $1 back on Ibotta. You can do this deal 5 times, so I'm just gonna pick up 1 today. I'm gonna make these $2.97 each. Excited about these Tide little Tide stain removal towelettes. I can't grab it. It's $4.94. Oh, get it. Here we go. Tide to Go wipes, 10 count, $4.94. What we're going to do is we're going to use this $2 off coupon. It works, and it says on there you can use it. And then there's also a $1.50 off on Ibotta. So $3.50 off $4.94, making these just $1.40. So I'm really excited about this. When I see the Tide Hygienic Clean on the Ibotta app, I have to pick it up. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick up one of these Tide Hygienic Cleans. They are $11.97. We're going to use a $3 off coupon. We can use this on these. I'm loving these Hygienic Cleans. They're really big pods, so you don't have to use as much detergent. And I'll use it on more of my heavy duty stuff, towels, blankets, that sort of thing. And there's also a $3 off on Ibotta. So combining the $3 off coupon, the $3 off on Ibotta, this takes $6 off. So it's going to make this $5.97 for this large container of Tide Hygienic Clean. This is a #1 in our house. This is going to be the Downy or the Bounce wrinkled spray, because we both have to dress up for our jobs. And so this is $4.94. There is a $1.50 coupon on Ibotta, and there is also a $1 off coupon. So make sure you use that one there. So that's $2.50 off this. So we're using a Ibotta rebate and a paper coupon rebate as well. Just a paper coupon. Ibotta keeps bringing it back. So these, the 6 count. So you're getting 3 lids and 3 containers for $3.97. There is an Ibotta rebate for $3 back. So you're only paying 97 cents for all these containers. 97 cents is an amazing deal, and there's only a couple on my shelf. But you know what's gonna happen? I see some up top. I'm about to climb up there and get those. Awesome deal. Only 97 cents for all 3 containers. limit of 5, pick them up. So doing the Clean and Clear deal again. Now the last time I got the astringent because it was cheaper, it's $4.34, but I want to get some of this facial cleanser. So it's $4.40 for this one. I'm getting not the $4.48, the $4.40. I'm going to use a $2 off on Ibotta, and I'm also going to use a $1.50 printable coupon, and I've got 2 of these, and I think there's a limit of 5 on Ibotta, so you can do the deal 5 times, but I'm just going to do the deal 2 times. So taking a $1.50 off with the printable coupon and a $2 off on Ibotta for each one. Thank you to Sisters Saving You Cents. I love those ladies. So the Listerine Strong Teeth are $5.43. There is a $1 off coupon. This is a limit of 1 use on this coupon, so I can't use 2 coupons or 3 coupons. But Ibotta has 2 rebates coming off. So there's a $1 rebate coming off and a $1.50 rebate coming off. So $2.50 on Ibotta coming off. And I think this can be done 3 times on Ibotta if you don't have the $1 off coupon. So check it out. But thank you, ladies, for posting this deal. Awesomeness. Guys, I'm in the feminine hygiene section, and there was this man, and he was a manly man, and he was getting his wife some necessities that she needed, and he was kind of getting stressed out, and I helped him. Bless his heart. I started laughing at him, and he was like, "You're laughing at me, now help me." So we had to help him out. It was really sweet. So kudos to all the men out there that take care of their women, getting them things they needed when they're in that time of need. Both of these camp openings, these are the paint and itch relief, actually in the Band-Aid aisle. So again, thank you to Sister Saving You Cents. They pointed this out because I did not know these were in the Band-Aid aisle. So these are $3.97. That is not right. It should be in this section. $3.97 each. What we're going to do is we're going to get 2 of those. We're going to get 2 of those and use a $4 off coupon. I only have this one left anyways, but if you have the $2 off coupon, you can use that instead. And then we're going to do a $1.50 on Ibotta. Now, I think that Ibotta is just a one-time, so you're going to get $5.50 off these 2. So it's going to make this about $2.44 after the coupon and the rebate. So how much are these Klondike bars?
They're $3.27.
$3.27. And when you submit your receipt to Fetch, you're going to get 100% of the money back. So you're getting this totally for how much?
Free.
Free. Awesomeness. We got the Frigo Parmesan cheese last time, and they are all out of the feta. And so I was going to get feta. Let's see if they have any. It's all blue cheese. I really wanted some feta, so I'll probably just grab some Parmesan again. Well, these are $2.08, and there's a 75-cent back on Ibotta. Check it out. I am so excited, praisers and savers. Just got home, submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and not only did I meet my June 2nd level for $1, I also got my climb bonus. That was 21 offers. I met that, and I got $5 on that. I then proceeded to my peak because that's the next level. That was 13 offers. I already got that. So all in this one transaction, I got the June 2nd, everything builds. I got the climb and the peak. And then I also had a midweek bonus. That was $1. So with those 4 bonuses right there, that's $10 that I didn't even plan on getting. Like I know they're there, but I don't like put them into my financials of everything. So that was amazing. So, you know, I was worried that once I did my climb bonus, because you got the climb, the peak, and the long haul, I was worried that once I did my climb bonus, that it wouldn't go ahead and set for my peak, but it went ahead. Like I was literally like looking at it and it's already gone off the screen. I'm already on the long haul, and I'm actually 33% way through the long haul. I also have a blooming bonus. I think the blooming bonus or something like that is like $5. I've already made the blooming bonus, but I had to do one online offer. I ordered something on Amazon the other day through the app, but I don't know if it's going to work. So I'm going to look and see if there's something else. So if you have any suggestions about online offers to get that blooming bonus, please let me know so I can get my $5, and that will be it. So really quick, I'm not going to go through everything, but I do want to talk about some freebies here. So hold on a second. Hannah, turn that down. Remember, that was a freebie on Fetch. I gotta put that back in the freezer. All right. Let me look. Oh yeah, these were freebies. So you buy this, and this, and you only pay for the family size. And we were able to do like the big stuff because she wanted the mega stuff. These 2 are freebies on that. I think that's it. Oh my goodness, I'm missing something, guys. Missing the Tide Hygienic Clean, so one of my kiddos must have put it in the laundry room. So that was not a freebie, but that was just a good deal, $5.97 on that. All right, guys, it was a really great week for me at Walmart. Loving my Ibotta. Didn't have any swag bucks, I did have the 7th generation on Shopkicks, and then the Fetch was the Klondike bars, and that they're only letting you do a limit of 1. They were letting you do a 3, but now it's changed to 1. So anyways, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends about this. I would greatly appreciate it. All right, see you guys tomorrow. I think we're going to hit Kroger tomorrow. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.